Satisfied with the hearing of the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has clearly distinguished that Northeast is different from the rest of India, and for the matter regarding Assam and Tripura, they have segregated the issue, and they have told the councils that by 31st of October we should be submitting our written submissions. And many people from the other group, they wanted to club the CAA with the rest of Northeast and rest of India. But the Supreme Court was very clear that the problems of Northeast is very different from the rest of the country, and they will be hearing Assam and Tripura separately. There have been many accords which have been signed before this. The Assam Accord in Assam, the TNB Accord in Tripura, the merger, the Instrument of Accession, the ATTF Accord. So these are various accords which have been signed, and the CAA violates these promises given to the people of Tripura and Assam by introducing a new cutoff year. So we believe that the Supreme Court has done the right thing, and on the 31st of October we will be ready with all our submissions, written submissions, and we will be ready to tell the Honorable Supreme Court of India that Northeast cannot be treated at par with the rest of India. Our problems are very different from the rest of India.
And sir, you are one of the petitioners in this matter. What is your basic prayer in this?
Our basic prayer is that states like Tripura, Assam, which have already signed various accords with the Government of India. Government of India had given us solemn promises that the demography of our state. I am satisfied with the court का observation. सबसे पहले बहुत important था कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट का जो प्रॉब्लम है वो रेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया से अलग किया जाए, क्योंकि मैंने हमेशा हमारे आसाम के आंसू ने नेसो ने हमेशा कहा, मैं हमेशा वी ऑलवेज कीप ऑन सेइंग दिस दैट द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ द नॉर्थ ईस्ट, जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट का प्रॉब्लम है वो रेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया से अलग है. तो त्रिपुरा और आसाम का प्रॉब्लम बहुत ही अलग है रेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया से. तो कोर्ट ने आज अपने ऑर्डर को स्वीकार किया है कि फुल सेग्रीगेशन किया जाए. बहुत लोग प्रेशर डालने की कोशिश कर रहे थे कि ये पूरा सीए का मैटर एक ही संग सुनाया जाए, लेकिन कोर्ट ने इंटरवीन करके कहा है कि आसाम और त्रिपुरा को अलग रख के 31 अक्टूबर में एक हमको उसके पहले रिटन सबमिशन देना है, और उसके बाद कोर्ट उसमें अच्छे तरीके से विचार करेगी. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट द काउंसिल फ्रॉम Assam, the council from Tripura have put up the very strong opposition that we do not want to be clubbed with rest of India. The problem of Assam, Tripura, the Northeast is not the same of the rest of India.